Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a stealth shelter. So a little quick overview of what a stealth shelter is. It's something, it's stealthy. So it's going to be low to the ground, hard to see, out of view. So that way, say somebody's flying overhead with a helicopter, they're not going to be able to see your shelter. That is the point of today's video. So we're going to make that. And then maybe, I'll tell you guys about that later. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I think I found where I'm gonna build my stealth shelter. So in this little ravine kind of area, I don't know if you can see that. It's just kind of goes down in there. Anyway, so over here, there is a fallen tree that kind of goes over the ravine. We're gonna build the stealth shelter with this tree. So just gonna lay a bunch of sticks over that area, cover it up, and it's gonna blend in. It'll be a nice stealth shelter. So I'm gonna start by clearing off this area back here so I have a decent place to stay in, and we'll get back with you guys when I'm done. All right guys, so I've got all this stuff cleared out. As you can see, just enough room for my body to lay there, and then we're gonna cover it up with sticks and brush and all that other junk that's piled up right here that we cleared out. So yeah, let's do it. All right guys, so the shelter is basically done. I mean, it could get a little work on like those sides, but I might do that later. All right guys, so I'm up on this trail here, and say you walk by and you look down. Do you see anything? Zoom in real close. You might be able to see it, but blends in pretty well, I'd say. All right guys, well that is building a stealth shelter. Showed you how to do it, cover it up, make it nice, showed you how much it blends in, say you're walking up on this trail. But that is the video. And like I said earlier, so today is Monday. Just finished the shelter. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I am going to spend the night in that shelter. So I'm gonna upload this video today, Monday, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go spend the night in the shelter and hopefully stay stealthy and hidden all night. And then I'll upload that video on Wednesday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to, stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna come out on Wednesday, and I will see you guys in the next one.